How to fix Openxr Runtime Oculus. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Openxr Runtime on Oculus. Now, if you are having problems running Openxr titles, you want to check the Stream VR settings. For this, on your computer, you want to open the Stream VR settings. Now, under Advanced Settings, you want to click on the Show option. Now, you want to click on the option of Developer from the left-hand side panel. There, you will find different options. You want to check if current Openxr runtime is set to Stream VR. If current Openxr runtime is not set to Stream VR, click on Set Stream VR as Openxr runtime option over there. After this is done, you want to run the Openxr title again, and with these steps you will be able to fix Openxr runtime on Oculus. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.